Here down at Stettler Dodge. Here we got a 2017 Dodge Caravan GT, and we're going to go through the details. This one's got tons of options, so I'll go through them all, and it might be a little bit of a longer video, but we'll go through it and go through it together. So here we are. We got nice looking rims here. These are 17-inch tires, tons of grip on it, so we got lots of life on it there. And when you come around to the side, you got your nice thing I like about the van is they got the color matching bumpers to match up with the rest of it, and the crosshair grill in the front. And this is equipped with pretty much every option. You got your power sliding doors, your power lift gate, remote start, and so it's really easy if you want to load in tons of hockey bags or storage. There's just so much stuff that you can do and utilize for a caravan. You can even fit a 8-foot sheet of plywood or some plywood. Either way works for you. And here you can see the numbers is kind of basic. You just kind of 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4, and it just rolls right back. And then you got tons of space in here. The other thing you can also kind of do is pull this number 3 down, put this seat down, and then you got a little bit of a comfort to kind of sit in, and got some shade to cover, and you can watch the kids play. And so it's kind of a neat feature, and lay back and enjoy the sunshine or the snow, whatever it is that you want to do. Here you got a button to kind of close the lift gate. There's another button at the front, or you can use the remote there for you as well. So press that there. Here I'll open up the sliding door. So this is easy and convenient if you're loading up the kids again. And here you got your stow and go. And literally, you just lift this up. There's a little cover here, and then you would lift this up, and then you can see how it all wants to go in. And then there's just a matter of putting that back down, lifting the seat up here and here. And you can see on the other side that it's got the power windows and even heated seats for your passengers in the middle row here as well. So we'll open up the front of it now, and here you got the third row vents, and with your power windows and power door locks and power mirrors, automatic headlights, power seats, your audio controls. But we'll go through and show you all a ton more equipment here, so let's do that. All right, so here we are in the inside. I'll start here. So this is an option that you can get with the nice big center console, and kind of hide things and protect it if you got water bottles and coffee or tea going on in here. And then you got one at the front here. This is to kind of protect your, I guess it would be your technology, your phone, so you can plug things in, or MP3 player. You got eco light, hazard lights. You got a power switch for the inverter. If anyone wants to play a gaming console, you can have control of turning on or off. Traction control. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. You got controls for the rear climate controls if you don't want the kids to be playing with it, or if you got some silly people that are just playing with the heat and you don't want them to, you can control it all from here. It is equipped with a Garmin GPS setup in here as well, so you got a way of getting around if you need some help with that. It does have a built-in hard drive, so you can actually put in a flash drive, and it will store all that music right onto the hard drive in here. And so that way you don't have to have a bunch of CDs and stuff like that. This is where you would load your DVD in, or CD. If it's a DVD, obviously it's going to play on this screen back here that you can see. We'll close this one up. We'll close this one up so you guys can see the rest of these features. This is where the automatic rear dimmer. This is also where the mics are for the Bluetooth connectivity for your Uconnect system. Here are the controls for the power sliding doors, the power lift gate. You can turn it on and off if you don't feel comfortable for the kids to play with it and you want to manually close it, you can do that. A little spot here to keep an eye out on making sure everyone's behaving in the back there, and even a little spot to put for your glasses or your shades. Then you got your controls here for the garage door opener if you got that. And then here's all your functionality for your cruise control. and the arrows and to control this little here, and you can see 17,554 kilometers. And I mean, and even on this side over here, there's a little vent here. You can kind of give extra shade for the kids, or if anyone else needs the extra shade. I don't know if there's any other options. I mean, this is fully equipped with every option, maybe an exception of a sunroof, but come down, check it out, take it for a ride. It sits really comfortable, in great shape. I can't really see anything going wrong, and we're blowing this out of here at 31.5. So thanks so much for watching this video. Take care.